What's happening, guys? My name is Brother Winston. I want to thank you for tuning in. If you like my content, make sure to follow this page. So today we're going to talk about Sound of Freedom, a movie I just saw yesterday. Very good film. Very simple and straight to the point film. Okay? Nothing complicated about it. Not political. Not Democratic or Republican. Not even hating on a lot of things that it could have hated on, in my opinion, or exposed. It doesn't do almost any of that at all. It's just a very simple story, okay? About this guy, Jim Caviezel, and this guy who he played. It's a true story, okay? How he was saving children, essentially, from trafficking. Okay, very, very simple and to the point story, all right? But for some reason, this movie is coming under all kind of fire, okay? All kind of criticism. And I wonder why. So let's look at some things here. So look at this. AMC Theaters CEO slams Sound of Freedom CTs about screening disruptions as garbage. Adam Aaron, who is their CEO, okay, and distributor Angel Studios have joined forces to quell a boycott against the exhibition chain over the Jim Caviezel action movie, okay? So there are people who actually trying to have a boycott against this film. In my opinion, if you're having a boycott against a film that's showing someone deliver and save kids from being trafficked, in my opinion, you are a supporter of trafficking for sure. For sure. It's absolutely no way around it. If someone made a movie, I'll give you an example, right? There have been many movies against slavery, right? If someone were to come out and say, we're going to boycott this film against slavery, okay, I would say, well, maybe you're in favor of slavery. Maybe you're racist, okay? So seriously. So this guy makes a movie telling the story of a real guy. He's playing a real guy who did a great deed. The guy's a real life superhero. That's it. It's not political. It doesn't try to go to any side. Just telling the guy's story. That's it. And these people are furious about it. Why is it? It's because this is what they do. That's why it's simple. And it's crazy because they actually prove these people online right. These people who I don't listen to a lot, but a lot of what they're saying is true when it comes to these people being, pedos and all that kind of stuff. That stuff is 100% correct. These people that are in control of Hollywood and stuff, and the stuff that's been exposed, that stuff is true. And that's why you have to remember the stuff that you see on TV, the stuff that you see from Rolling Stone, Rolling Stone spoke against the movie, CNN spoke against the movie during networks. The reason why they do that is because the people that are over them, they are the people involved in this stuff. And they say, listen, I want you writers to write this. I want you writers to write that. And then you see these stories against it. I mean, I've had someone in my own family say that movie is bad and you hear about blah, blah, blah. I'm like, the movie is a great movie. It's a simple story. I mean, like, there's no reason why anyone should be offended by the movie at all, except for if you are involved in this stuff, okay? I mean, you can't make yourself up. If you don't believe me, go watch the movie and see what I'm talking about, okay? I'm out, guys. God bless you guys. Follow me for my content. Peace.